Hey guys, so today we're going to unbox the Q10 IP camera. As the title suggested or something like that, this is using a B380 application. If you don't know that, that's a Chinese software that lets you check your cameras. So it comes with a power adapter. It's from China, so it's generic, but it has some decent weight. Some wall mounting gear, more screws, instruction manual, and a screwdriver. Do they want me to disassemble this thing? And the actual camera. It's pretty heavy. Having a hard time doing it with one hand. I'm filming this on my own, so it's really hard. This is the camera itself. You can't rotate this. This isn't a hinge. It's designed that way. So basically, you can only rotate this part. So when you're wall mounting it, it's supposed to be this way. You can't go this way, since it will make the camera tilted. What do you call that? Sideways. And that isn't reversible, I think. You can only reverse it from up or down. So what I meant by that is you can do this or you can do this. Since in the software you can reverse it. So what does it include? It includes this thing. Maybe it's for the cables or something like that, for waterproofing. The camera has something attached in it. It's a reset button here. It's supposed to be covered since water can get in. A LAN port and the power port. In the camera itself, it has some screws here, and it should have an opening here for the SD cards. Oh, here it is on the top side, top portion. This is where your SD card goes. It's a micro SD card. This camera is supposed to be built for rainproof or outdoors, when you call it. Since I have other cameras that broke because it got soaked in water due to the rain. I thought it was waterproof, but it's not. It was the UC camera once. So that's all's in the box. I'm going to try to set it up. Plug it first. Forgot to take a video. Look at this adapter. Its design is unique, and when you shake it, you can hear something wiggling inside or shaking. I don't know if this is just a case to make it waterproof or this is the actual adapter. Anyway, it's got a decent weight in it. So I'm going to plug it in. It should say something like system is starting when I plug it in. Here we go. Oh, I see. So that's flash of light. Let's see.
System is starting.
That's a good sign. So I have taken screenshots so you can see the quality of the cameras. The camera is supposed to be 2 megapixels. As you can see, it's not that bad nor that good. But for the price, it's pretty reasonable. I bought that for around 1,200 if I'm not mistaken on Lazada. So shipping fee 50 pesos. It's reasonable. You don't need any wiring. Just Wi-Fi. One of the key features of this IP camera is when it gets dark outside or when it's night, you can see lights. It's starting to light up, so the camera can see it properly. So that's all. Thanks for watching. I hope you set it up your camera, or if not, you decide to buy it. I don't know how long will this last. Maybe a couple of years or something like that. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.